Okay, good day. I am Engineer Tolentino, and I'm going to give you the third installment of this mixing problem applications in differential equations. Now, let's say you have a tank here where a gallons per minute of brine is entering at a concentration of C pounds per gallon, and the mixture well stirred leaves at B gallons per minute. Okay, initially there are D gallons of brine and Y pounds at any time X. Okay, now the question is, what is the relationship between Y and the other variables? Okay, now here is a derived model. Okay, I derived this using applications of linear differential equations. Y is equal to m plus d, m times d plus a minus b x raised to the negative b over a minus b plus c d plus a minus b times x. Now, m here is an arbitrary constant. D is the initial volume, a is the amount coming in, b is the amount coming out, x is the time, of course, and c is the concentration. Okay, now the formula is quite long, but notice that this is common here. D plus a minus b times x and d plus a minus b times x is common to both terms. What differs is you have an m here and you have a power of negative b over a minus b, while here you have a c. Okay, alright, now let us solve the problem. A tank contains 100 gallons of brine holding 60 pounds of salt. So this is our D, alright, and this is our Y, okay, when X is equal to 0. Our X is the time. Brine containing 1 pound of salt per gallon enters at 2 gallons per minute. This is of course the concentration that is coming in, that is C, and it is the amount that is coming in, that is A, in gallons per minute, and the well-stirred mixture leaves at 3 gallons per minute, that is our B. Okay. Now find the amount of salt in the tank after 60 minutes. Okay, this is our X is equal to 60, you're looking for Y, and when will the amount of salt be 42.5 pounds? This is our Y, you're looking for X. Okay, I have already inputted the model in the calculator. Now before you do this, type this formula, press first shift 9 in order for you to reset the values of the variables. Okay, so let's check our formula. This is y equals m d plus a minus b x negative b over a minus b plus c d over a minus b. Alright, the first step is put a comma m, because the first step is we will have to determine m first based on initial condition, then shift solve. Your y is initially 60 there, your d is 100, your A is of course 2 gallons per minute, your B is 3, your X initially is times 0, your C is 1, and then solve for M. So the value of M is negative 4 times 10 to the negative 5. Now we're now prepared to solve for Y. Replace this by Y and then shift solve. Alright, you know the value of m is this already, negative 4 times 10 to the negative 5. Our d is still 100, our a is 2, our b is 3. Now this time your x is here, 60 minutes. Okay, you have the same concentration as 1. You're looking for y. The answer is 37.44 pounds. And when will the amount of salt be 42.5 pounds? So this time, replace this by what? By x. Actually, if you're looking for x, you don't need to put x there. But just anyway, I'll just put an X there. No? Then shift solve. Your Y will now become 42.5. You're looking for X. And all datas are the same. Same M, same D, same A, same B, and same C. And then solve for X. The answer is 53.47 minutes.